One video can bring you 5 high-ticket clients if you know how to structure your videos well. So most entrepreneurs just make this mistake of creating content that gets a lot of views but they're not making sales. So by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your next video into an automated sales machine. What I'm going to show you in this video is what you may probably have heard before, but you don't know how to implement it to your business and how to use social media, especially video content, to get more sales to your business and to attract more clients and high ticket clients for that matter. So for you to achieve this, you need to stop treating social media platform as a place to get views. Instead, treat it as your sales funnel. So every video you're putting out there as a business person should have a clear goal, either to attract, educate, that is nurturing your leads, or also converting those leads into buying customers. So think of social media as a 24/7 sales representative. What they are doing is that they are making you reach this audience at scale. Unlike a typical salesperson, he is limited to the number of people or the time he can present your product or your service. But social media here works 24/7. So you can create a video today and it's still relevant for the next 5 to 10 years to come. So if you know how to create the right video, how to structure it well, like I said earlier, then you're going to achieve the results that you're looking for, which is to help you make sales and get high ticket clients. So in order for you to achieve this, then you need to move from one stage to the other. Now the first stage is obviously for you to create the video and post it online. So for you to create this video and for you to know the type of video that you need to create, then you need to know what problem are your potential audience or your potential customers facing. I need to make sure that the pain is so huge that they just can't sleep without solving that problem. So if you find out what problem your audience are facing, what problem your customers are facing, then you can create a video about it. Then when you're creating this video, you need to be very, very strategic and make sure that you're tackling the pain point directly. You're not just beating around the bush trying to get views because that's what you're used to. You need to make it more strategic and in the aim of driving sales to your business, getting more clients, and making your business more profitable to social media. So the first stage here is your video. So this is when you create content, you talk about their problem, you show them solution of how you're going to solve their problem. So for you to create this kind of video, there are parts you need to follow if you want to get the best videos. So the first one is the hook. This hook is going to help you hold attention faster. If people should click on your video, what is going to make them stay to watch till the end? What is going to make them continue watching that video instead of clicking out? This is where your hook comes in. So after your hook here is for you to deliver the value that they came there for. Then after delivering the value, they need to establish your credibility. How credible are you? What makes you the expert, or what makes you the trusted authority for them to believe that what you have is good? This is where your credibility comes in. You're going to show them that you have done this for other people, you have done it for yourself. Then after that, you're going to give a clear call to action. So what do you want them to do? What action do you want them to take? Do you want them to buy your product? Do you want them to get a freebie like a lead magnet? What do you want them to do? This is where your call to action comes in. So after you have established a clear call to action, then you're going to go from stage 1 to stage 2, which is the conversion stage. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So in this stage, what you're going to do here is to nurture this lead for them to become a high paying client. So this phase is where you're going to give them your lead magnet. So in the call to action, if you told them to book a call with you, or if you told them to download a freebie, whatever you told them to do in the call to action, this is where you're going to implement that. Then after that, what you're going to do, you're going to go to the next stage, and this next stage is the follow-up. This is very, very important. If you miss this out, this is where most entrepreneurs fail. If you told them to download your lead magnets, maybe it's a freebie or something, and you don't follow up, then after they have gotten what they came there for, then they're not going to take any more action. So this is where you follow up with email sequences or regular DMs. So this follow-up is what is going to keep the leads more warm, so that whenever you're going to present your core offer, then they are most likely to take it. So this follow-up is very, very important. In fact, the more you follow up, the higher conversion rate you're going to get. So after you have done the necessary follow-up, the next stage is for you to, present your offer. Then after you have given them this offer, then you're going to onboard them. This is where the onboarding comes in. So you're going to onboard them into your customer base. So this onboarding needs to be very, very frictionless, because they have already gone through a rigorous process from this video to the lead magnet to follow up, presenting them the offer, and now you're onboarding them. So these are the 5 stages they need to follow. So let me just clean this up and show you what I'm talking about. Let's say when you posted your video, you got like 1k views. 1,000 views doesn't seem like much. So after getting the 1k views, let's just say that 5% of them click on your call to action. So they click on the link to get the freebie or to get whatever you were offering. So let's just say 50 people click on the link. Then out of these 50 people, 10 people decided to show interest in whatever you're offering. Then this is the people that you're going to do more follow up and present your offer to. Then after presenting your offer to these people, then minimum of 5 people buys. Then if this was a high ticket product, then you've gotten 5 sales from just 1k views. This is how you can get 5 high ticket clients from just one video. So if you can get this with just 1k views, then what about 100k views, 1 million views, and so on? So if you can implement these strategies to your video, when you're putting out your video, you put out the base hook, deliver the value that they came there for, then show your credibility, and also add a clear call to action to your videos, then you're going to get these results. You're going to get your 5 high ticket clients with just one video. So that is it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.